Good morning, children. Let's continue discussing the third chapter, that is square and square roots. So before starting this chapter, I would like to say that in page number 38, one table is given, table of squares. So this table of squares, all of you must try to remember the values of the square, that is the value of 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, in this manner up to 30. So all of you are asked to remember at least up to 30, that is the value of 30 square is equals to 900. For the speedy calculation, for the purpose of speedy calculations, all of you try to remember at least up to 30. More than 30 means it's good, but try to remember up to 30. So let's start with the properties of square numbers. So the properties of square numbers. So the first property is a number having 2, 3, 7 or 8 at the units place is never a perfect square. A number which is a perfect square, even if you see in the table all these 2-digit number and 3-digit number, that unit digit never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. 2, 3, 7, the unit digit you will never see, it never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. So a perfect square always ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. That is, the unit digit is always 0 or 1 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 9. Example, so as 1 square is 1, the unit digit is 1. So 2 square it is 4, the unit digit is 4. 3 square 9, the unit digit is 9. 4 square it is 16, the unit digit is 6. 5 square it is 25, the unit digit is 5. 6 square it is 36, unit digit is 6. 7 square 49, the unit digit is 9. 8 square 64, the unit digit is 4. 9 square the unit digit is 1, and the 100 square the unit digit is 0. As we can see, the perfect square always ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. Everywhere you will find either 1, 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. The unit digit never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. So let's move to the second property. What is the second property? For a perfect square, number of zeros at the end is always even. So if the number is a perfect square, then the number of zeros at the end is always even. So even number of zeros. Suppose this 100. So it is a perfect square. This is a perfect square. So this is a square of 10 square, we will get 100. Therefore even number of zeros are there. As you can see, 2 zeros are there, even number. If the number of zeros are odd, that is 3 zeros are there in this case, so this is not a perfect square. If the number of zeros are even, so here it is even, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a perfect square. So this is a square of 100. 100 square is equals 10,000. So therefore, for a perfect square, the number of zeros at the end must be even. For a number to be a perfect square, the number of zeros at the end must be even. Even number of zeros are there. Okay. Then property number 3. Square of even numbers are always even and square of odd numbers are always odd. If we square an even number, we will get another even number. If we square a odd number, we will get another odd number. So this 18 is an even number. If we find the square of 18, it is 324, which is again an even number. So this 19 is an odd number. If we take the square of 19 square is equals to 361, so which is a odd number. So therefore the square of an even number is even and the square of an odd number is odd. This is property number 3. So let's move to property number 4. So property number 4, it is given that a perfect square leaves a remainder 0 or 1 when divided by 3. So when we divide a perfect square, a number which is a perfect square, when we divide it by 3, the remainder is always either 0 or 1. Sometimes we will get the remainder as 0 and sometimes we will get the remainder as 1 when we divide it by 3. For example, 18 square, the value of 18 square is 324. If we divide it by 3, as you can see, we divide it by 3, we got the remainder as 0. So in this case, the remainder is 0. Then 19 square is 361. Let us divide it by 3 and see what is the remainder. So if we divide it by 3, the remainder is 1. So in this case, the remainder is 1. That means when we divide a perfect square, sometimes we will get the remainder as 0 and sometimes the remainder is 1. Okay, when we divide any perfect square, so remainder is either 0 or 1. Apart from 0 and 1, we will not get any other remainder. Okay. So now let's move to the property number 5. If n is a perfect square, then twice n can never be a perfect square. So if n is a perfect square, then twice n, we might think that if we multiply n with 2, so it will also be a perfect square, but it is not true. If n is a perfect square, when you multiply it by 2, it becomes twice n. This is not a perfect square. For example, 14 square is equals to 196. So let us take this as a value of n. But 2 into 196, that means twice n, 392, which is twice n, is not a perfect square. So here n is a perfect square, but twice n is not a perfect square. For any number which is a perfect square, if you multiply it by 2, so it becomes a non-perfect square. Okay, so that number is not a perfect square. Then property number 6, perfect square number is never negative. So perfect square number is never negative, it cannot be negative. So as we can see, 21 square is 441. Even if we take minus 21 whole square, since the power is, as you can see, even, so therefore this becomes positive and the result we obtain as 441. In both the case the result is same, 441. So therefore even we take the square of a negative number, the square we are going to get as positive number. So therefore the perfect square number is never negative, it cannot be negative. The perfect square of a number cannot be negative. So now property number 7, the sum of first and odd natural numbers is n square. The sum of first and odd natural number is n square. So this is actually a formula. You need to remember this, that the sum of first and odd natural number is n square. So this is the formula. For example, 1 plus 3 plus 5 is equals to 9. So these are the first three odd numbers. First three odd numbers, that is 1, 3 and 5. And if we add these three numbers, we get 9. So according to the formula, we can do like this. How many numbers are there? How many odd numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 odd numbers are there. So therefore n square, that is 3 square, is equals to 9. Again, let us take another one example. First 4 odd numbers. The numbers must be serial. Okay, you must take in an order. We cannot take that we have taken 3, then we have taken 9, we have taken 11. No, when we have to take it serially from 1, 3, 5 like this. We have taken the first 4 odd numbers, that is 1, 3, 5, 7. When we add, we get 16. Again, according to the formula, how many odd numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore 4 square is also 16. So directly by using the formula, we can get the result. Again, let us take another one example, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. That is first 5 odd numbers are there, odd natural numbers. So when we add these first 5 odd natural numbers, we get 25. Or directly by using the formula, how many odd numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 square, it is 25. So by using this formula, that is n square, so directly we can find the result. So let's understand by this by taking one question. Suppose a question is given there that find the sum of first 50 odd natural numbers. The first 50 odd natural numbers. So it is not possible for us to directly add and find. So here we need to use the formula. First 50 odd natural numbers are, that is, it starts from 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus ... up to 99. Because in the first 100 numbers, that is from 1 to 100, there are 50 even numbers are there. Again 50 odd numbers are there. So we have taken the odd numbers, that is from 1 to 99. So therefore 1 to 99, how many odd numbers are there? Whole total 50 odd numbers. Since we are already given in the question, we are asked to find the 50 sum of first 50 odd natural numbers. So therefore 50 square, as we know the formula, it is n square. So therefore the value of n is 50. 50 square is equals to 2500. So this is the answer. So directly by using the formula we can find the answer, as it is not possible for us to add this one manually and find the answer. So then that's all for today. The remaining properties we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.